Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Thuli Phongolo. Yes, Thuli Phongolo recently bought a Lamborghini Urus. We don't know who's funding her lifestyle. We don't know. Maybe unemali or imali. We don't know. But then kunama allegations. We know Thuli Phongolo ngo DJ Maphorisa, but then we kunama allegations ukuthi this guy, against president yan, is funding Thuli Phongolo and le motele uthengelwe the guy. I'm not sure about igama guy, but then but yeah, he's funding her lifestyle. And then Uthuli waphendula wathi he's not dating this man. I think kusaba ulona DJ Maphorisa. Angazi, or maybe she thinks she still has chances of babuyelana or bahlukene. Thing is, laba bethu they're very private, they're very private. You don't know your relationship yabo. And now Masakhona that guy, okay, luyaphiga yena. Guys, what's happening? What's happening? But I think about animal. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What's your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.